Hello there, welcome back to another hotel video of mine. Today I'm at Hilton Garden Inn, Singapore Serangoon. Located in Little India, you're only steps away to many places including the MRT station and the 24/7 Mustafa Centre. There's a car drop-off area. Alternatively, if you're on the other side of the road, instead of jaywalking, you can take the lift, walk across the bridge and you'll be in the hotel. So I'm here for 3 nights and I'm staying in one of their king guest rooms. So I got allocated a room on the 12th floor, room 1219. On Hilton's official site, they advertise their king guest room as 18 square meters big. So it does sound like a tiny room, but we'll see how they've designed the space practically. So welcome to my room. My friend there is just doing his uni assignment, so don't worry about him. We'll check out the lavatory. So the first impression for myself is that the lavatory and the room itself actually have lots of lights. On the rack here, you'll find a body towel and 2 hand towels. And then down here, you've got a body lotion and 2 face towels. Like many Hilton properties, they use the Crabtree and Evelyn products. You'll find 2 sets of dental kits in your room. For other amenities, you can ask the reception for more. In the shower, you'll find bottles of body wash, conditioner and shampoo. And also another body towel. Unfortunately, here we don't have rain shower, just that regular shower head that's portable. On the toilet, you'll find a shower mat and also a bidet to wash your dirty bum. Back in your room, above your wardrobe, you'll find cupboards. I think that's a very smart design considering how tiny your room is. That's great for storage. You've got open wardrobe. There's space there for my bags, 2 pairs of cheap slippers, a drawer here for more storage and your safe. Here you'll find your ironing board and ironing thingy. Now moving inwards, here in this drawer, you'll find a hairdryer. And of course, you can use this space to put more of your stuff. For your complimentary tea and coffee, you have Lipton for your black tea and Nescafe for your coffee. No real milk, but you have creamer in a powder form. Above all that, you have an empty fridge. I'm going to put the 2 bottles in there. The bottles were already here before I came in. On the counter, you have facial tissues and underneath you have a rubbish bin. Next to it, you have a luggage rack. And then now, here's the king bed. So here's the working desk. It's very tiny but very practical. You have very easy access to 2 universal power sockets, 2 USB ports, the internet cable socket and a light switch. You have more USB port and power socket right next to your bed. Telephone is also next to your bed, which is great. You have a 43-inch HD TV. The wall behind your bed is not plain and boring. I think it's a long branch, probably symbolizing how green Singapore is, I don't know. But it does give off a very soft and comfortable tone to your room. One thing I don't really like about is a restricted view from your room. There's a bay window sitting area, a good space for you to chill, relax, drink a tea and read a book. From our room we can see the Fairer Park views. As a Hilton Gold member, every morning I get to enjoy free buffet breakfast in the restaurant on the 8th floor, also where the swimming pool is located. They have an omelette station here, which is amazing. I love omelettes. For your other food options, you can tell the staff what you want and they'll put it in the plate for you. I think it's amazing how this hotel has so many hot food options for breakfast. Because we're in Singapore, they have Chinese food and Western food. But because we're in Little India, they also have Indian food. And remember how in the rooms they've got Lipton black tea? I'm so glad here they've got Dilma instead, much better. And also real fresh milk. You can choose to have your breakfast indoor in the restaurant or outdoor next to the swimming pool. Your view here is amazing, you can see the Singapore downtown area. There's a gym located on the ground floor. It's open 24/7 and it's actually quite big and nice. I filmed this video back in April 2022 when Singapore still had some indoor social distancing requirements. Back then you would have to phone the reception to reserve a spot. Every time I called them, the gym is empty, so that's really good and handy. There's an air purifier, which is great because the gym can be stiffy sometimes, and I like the big and clean mirror they've got here. So I just went out during the day and I just came back with my roommate. I got 2 new bottles of water, a clean and made bed, new towels, and newly stocked amenities. So now we're at the end of our reviews. Let's quickly conclude this hotel review right here, right now. So first of all, let's talk about the location. I really like it. Although it's not in the downtown CBD area, it's in Little India, which is also a vibrant area of Singapore. Let's say you do want to go to the CBD area, it's only a 2 to 3 minute walk to Little India station, and then on the downtown line it's 4 stops away to Bayfront where Marina Bay Sands is located. To go to Changi Airport I took Grab, which took me about 20 minutes. If that's not good enough and you're looking for a more central location that's still within the Hilton brand, you should look at my next week's hotel video where I'll stay at Conrad, Singapore. So now let's go back to our room. This hotel opened back in June 2017, so it's still a relatively new hotel, only 5 years old. Unfortunately, there's already some wear and tear, including the armrest of this chair. I absolutely love how they got power sockets and USB ports everywhere in the room basically. The 43-inch HD TV switches on automatically when you come into the room. So let's say all the lights were switched off, you'll still get some lights in the dark when you come in. I do have one comment about the lights. There's just so many of them, so I don't know where all the switches are. I guess that's a good problem to have. And with the shower, I really like it, but I don't like how the glass doesn't go any further than that, so you have a lot of water flowing towards the toilet. So that's it for the video today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Monday for another hotel video. Bye.
For safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your cabin baggage stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off.